Hello YouTube. I figured I'd go through a quick video showing my Viva Vivas design for a seastead. The basic concept is it's small, it's modular, and it can interconnect with others. The whole point being make it small, make it easy for people to buy, and then you can just grow your seastead from there. Here's kind of in the water showing the size. Like I said, is small. Each right there is 5 meter by 5 meter, but each level is 2.5 meters tall. This allows for setting each module on the back of a truck, so you can build it in a warehouse inland and then move it to the actual water. Here's top view, kind of showing you can put solar panels up. The central, windows there are completely optional. Figure you're gonna need, you're gonna want some light coming in, but that obviously adds to the cost if you use some sort of plexiglass. Like I said, there's different levels. So here's the stairs going on. There's the door. You'd want it to be, have rubber around it and make it watertight so that in, rough weather and storms and everything, you can just lock the thing down. Whether or not you're going to hunker down inside or, get out of there and come back, you want it to be watertight. Like I said, it's not that huge. Each room you would think about, just like a small bedroom, or you could have each room be just some other small room. I mean, bigger than rooms in a boat, so it's not too bad. And you just kind of have to think of each one as separate rooms that you're just adding on, and then you can just keep adding them together like this, or you can build downward into the water. This allows you to just buy each one and then you just grow and grow from there, so you don't have to be some rich person to own property on a seastead. Here's kind of the pieces that all the pieces you would need for building different configurations of the seastead. The far right being with no window. That's the bottom piece that just snaps right into the walls. The other one has the window. The one on the far left would be for the top, and for the middles, for stairs. This kind of shows how, kind of like the Lego piece type of configuration where you can just lay it in to the next level, and allows for modularity. You can grow over time. I price these out, material wise at about $10,000 per level. So it's like having $10,000 per bedroom. Here's showing the top where you could snap in that next level and basically grow your seastead. Someone pretty poor can just have one room and throw a composting toilet in the corner underneath the stairs and have enough to get started, at least. There shows kind of the connection. You'd want these welded. You'd probably need a site, at the marina or wherever you're putting this in the water to actually weld all these things shut. You want this watertight. You want it welded on the outside and the inside. It's all set up for that. Here's showing the bottom part where you just kind of slide the whole thing in. You would do the welding, like I said, on the outside and the inside to whatever you can to make that make sure everything's watertight. You'd also be putting your anchors. I don't show um, the parts for the connections, but you'd want it anchored really solid. This just shows the basically it's taking the other pieces and just switching out for some solar panels, some open space so you can have sunlight coming in and have some air and some openness. But yeah, you should be able to get enough electricity for a basic room, with these small amount of solar panels. Here's kind of showing you'd want this to be strapped down really hard to the ground. This prevents you have pressure from the buoyancy going up, and you have all the angles of the tie downs going out, so waves hitting it and anything crashing against it has forces counteracting each level. That's my design. I just try to think of the smallest practical design that could be built up, scaled up over time, and is cheap. Thanks for watching.